Hello, let us first start with our introduction. Our team consists of Ashish Meshram, Azam Ali Khan, Himanshu Dabe, Roshan Singh. Our project's name is Life Expectancy using Power BI. This project will analyze life expectancy data by looking at factors such as immunizations, mortality, finances, social factors, and other health related issues. It will make it easier for a country to identify the predicting factor contributing to. We are using the life expectancy dataset by WHO on Kaggle for life expectancy data analysis. Power BI visualization types such as gate charts, pie charts, line charts, and point maps can be used for the overview page, while tornado charts, donut charts, tree maps can be used for depicting country-wise data, etc. The objective of the project is to analysis project factors like immunizations, mortality, finances, social issues, and other health-related issues for life expectancy. This will allow countries to determine the predicting factor impacting a lower life expectancy. It will also be useful in helping a country determine which areas should be prioritized to increase life expectancy. Now let's go through this project. We have created 5 different menus, which is life expectancy, child mortality, key drivers, call to action, and GDP analysis. Let's start with life expectancy. As you can see, there's a world map followed by breakdown window which shows detailed information about the data we are looking for. Let's take an example of India. As I click on India's map, a window pops up which shows the life expectancy rate of male and female in India, which is 71 in females and 68 in males. Now let's go to child mortality. In this you can see it is showing about India as we had selected it in our last window. If I click on play button, it shows the child mortality rate over the years. And data such as government expenditure on health, immunizations, and cholera fatality rate are shown in the important factors tab. Let's move to the key drivers menu and type India in the search box. It shows the GDP per capita rate. Let's now move to the root cause. By selecting India, it shows the factor affecting health and growth. Moving to the GDP analysis, it shows detailed summary about the GDP in each continent. Now let's move to the dashboard. This window shows the overall details for every continent. The life expectancy, GDP per capita, government expenditure on health, immunization, and the child mortality rate. Last but not the least, resources. These are the website links that we used for preparing this project. Thank you for watching it till the end.